Right there, Earthquaker. Stop that evil doing.
Your low-calorie threats mean nothing to me. Take that, Captain Skeleton.
And stop shaking. Ha! You and your lunchboxes are no match for the foul weatherman. Now, we shall take the cosmic eraser, and with it, we shall control the world!
Not so fast, Dust Devil!
Pajama Man! I'll spin you to the four corners of the earth, do-gooder!
My handy-dandy Pajama Man superpower back says different!
Pajama Man, you
Exactly!
All right. It's okay. It's just a little thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning aren't so frightening. Thunder and lightning aren't so frightening. Thunder and lightning aren't so frightening, but I'm scared. Someone's gotta go upstairs and do something about this weather. This looks like a job for Pajama Sam! I know I left my Pajama Sam cape around here somewhere. I better find it. I've gotta be on the lookout for pieces to my puzzle. Nope, nothing here. Nothing under here but dust. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing under here but dust. Aha! Pajama Sam is ready for action. Now I can go upstairs and take care of all this thunder and lightning. I better get upstairs and do something about this. Okay, here I go. Alright, that's enough. Pajama Sam is gonna put a stop to this thunderstorming once and for all. Wow. So this is where all the weather comes from. Thunder and lightning must work there. Watch out, thunder and lightning. Pajama Sam is coming. A crowbar. I bet this'll come in handy. Worldwide Weather Employee Identification Card. Foster Boondoggle. Do not lose this card. Maybe there's a lost and found somewhere where I can turn this in.
Welcome to Worldwide Weather, sir.
Thank you. Uh-oh, I think it ate the card. I hope it wasn't too important.
Thunder, there's someone in here! Call security!
Oh, calm down, would you, dear? It's just a little boy.
I'm Pajama Sam! I've come to put a stop to this thunderstorming business.
Oh yeah, I think we've really outdone ourselves this time. Isn't it wonderful?
Well, actually...
I do enjoy a good storm, and it will be so helpful for the plants and things.
I never... Yeah! No!
Oh no! Not the red button!
Engaging primary safety mechanisms.
Shifting power to backup generators.
This is underground and messing up truth.
Adjusting horizontal hold. That should hold it for now. Damage report. Looks like a few pieces have been shaken loose.
Oh my gosh! Look at this weather! Hurricanes in Egypt! Tornadoes in Toledo!
This is going to take everything we've got.
Can I help?
Help! No one can help! We're doomed! Doomed!
Quiet!
As a matter of fact, there is something you can do. Lightning and I have important work to do here, so we need you to help fix the weather machines.
How do I do that?
This is a list of pieces that have come off the machines. We need you to find them and put them back where they belong. Will you do that?
Never fear, ma'am. Pajama Sam always helps people in need. Memo to employees for appointment style 924.
Hello again, sir.
Hey, a puzzle piece. I should pick those up. Say, I don't think this belongs here. I'd better hang on to it until I can figure out where it goes.
Do you have an appointment, sir?
No.
I can't let you back there without an appointment.
Hello again, sir. Welcome to the...
Worldwide Weather, how may I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment to see someone.
Certainly. Let me check his calendar. Yes, Mr. Someone is available immediately. I'll pencil you in. What is your name?
I'm Pajama Sam. I'm
Very
helping...
good, Mr. Sam. Mr. Someone will see you just as soon as you arrive. Goodbye. have an appointment?
Yes, I do. I'm Pajama Sam. I'm
Ah,
helping...
yes, here it is. Go right on in, Mr. Sam. Mr. Someone is ready for you.
Thanks. Hey, I found one!
It's occupied.
Ah,
Hi, I'm Pajama Sam.
Who sent you? I'm working very hard. You'd be amazed what a difficult job it is being in charge of all the supplies.
I'm sure it is.
George, someone sent you over here to check up on me, didn't he? He thought you'd catch me not doing my job so he can get that big promotion, right?
No, nobody sent me over here.
Nobody?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Really?
Well, that's a relief.
Hey, I found one! Employee of the month! Can I have one of these?
Absolutely. Take it.
Thanks. That was too easy.
Well, can you keep a secret?
Sure.
I accidentally ordered 1,000 of those when I was only supposed to get a dozen.
Whoops.
I'm trying to get rid of them before anyone notices. Take a few more.
Thanks, but I think I really only want one.
Oh, all right.
Ah, you must be Pajama Sam.
Uh-huh.
I'm George Someone, the personnel manager. Glad to see you could get here so quickly.
No problem. Hey, I found one! Say, aren't you the Y-pipe?
Yes, why do you ask?
I thought so. I've been looking for you.
You have? Why?
I'm looking for all the important pieces to the weather machines,
Really? Why?
so I can put you all back and fix the machines.
Why would you want to do that?
Because all the weather everywhere is going crazy, and thunder and lightning are in trouble, and it's sort of my fault.
What did you do to cause all of that?
Never mind that now, it's not important. You've got to come with me.
I'd love to, but I can't get out of this vending machine by myself. Think you could help me out?
Pajama Sam never abandons someone who needs help.
Thanks, that's good to know.
Say, how did you manage to get in there in the first place?
It's kind of an embarrassing story. Why do you ask?
Just wondering.
Well, don't.
Okay. Hey, I found one!
Hereford?
I beg your pardon?
Never mind. We were expecting someone else. Just dust round the picture frames for now. You can vacuum later, when we've finished.
Dust? But I...
Perhaps we should try to come up with more questions for the employee quiz while we wait for Mr. Hereford.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Who played the monster in the original movie version of Frankenstein?
That's not a very businesslike question, is it?
No, I suppose not.
There's one! Excuse me, how come you have a hat in the middle of the table?
Oh, we're putting our questions in it.
Questions?
We're making a quiz to give people when we interview them for jobs.
Say, you look pretty typical. How'd you like to help us test the questions?
What do I have to do?
Just pick questions out of the hat and see if you can answer them.
That sounds easy enough.
Go ahead and choose a question.
What does the Worldwide Weather logo look like? It's a cloud with a lightning bolt.
Yes, it is. And a rather nice-looking one, if I must say so myself.
Good going. Try another one.
Okay. I'm ready to go ahead with the test now.
All right, then. Go ahead and choose.
What is unemployment? When people don't have jobs.
Yes, quite correct.
All right, you got it.
Try another one.
Okay.
Go ahead and choose.
Cirrus and Nimbus are types of what? Clouds.
Yes, clouds is right.
Way to go!
Try another one.
Okay.
Go ahead and choose a question.
Name a sport people do in the snow. Skiing. Skiing.
Yes, people do ski in the snow as well as in the water. Well, I think we've got a pretty good start on our quiz. Thank you very much, young man.
You're welcome.
Now, on to new business. We have to talk about a color scheme for the executive washroom renovation this spring. Are there any suggestions?
Hello again, sir.
Wow, look at all that. I didn't know making weather was so complicated. Another one. Another one. Liquid sunshine. Ingredients. Sun. Use with caution. I don't think that will do much good. Oh. Hi, I'm Pajama Sam.
How do you do? I'm J. Langston III. You may call me Langston.
Okay, Langston, you can call me Sam.
With pleasure.
What's in this big book you've got?
Just snowflakes.
That's a lot of snowflakes.
Everyone ever made, actually. It's not a very exciting read.
Hey, I found one!